So, you bought an automatic car. Life is good. You're cruising smooth, no need to dance on a clutch pedal, and it shifts gears like magic. But here's the thing. Just because it can do everything for you, doesn't mean you're off the hook. There are some surprisingly common mistakes that can totally mess up your automatic transmission, and let me tell you, replacing one of those is like buying a small used car, made of gold. So buckle up, because today we're diving into 7 things you should never do in an automatic car, and yeah, some of these might surprise you. 1. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping ever in a hurry and just slam it into drive while you're still rolling backward? Yep. Big no-no. Your transmission is built to shift gears when the car's stationary, not while it's doing the moonwalk in reverse. Doing this once or twice might not explode your car, but keep doing it and you'll be besties with your mechanic in no time. 2. Launching your car like it's a drag racer. Some people think launching an automatic like your Vin Diesel is totally fine. Spoiler alert, it's not. Revving your engine in neutral, then slamming it into drive? That's like giving your transmission a heart attack. The gears aren't built for that sudden jolt, it's brutal. Save the launches for video games, not your family sedan. 3. Not using the parking brake. Let me ask you this. Do you ever use your parking brake? Be honest. If not, your car's P gear is carrying the entire weight of the vehicle on a tiny little pin called a parking pawl. Over time, that thing wears down, especially on hills, and one day, your car might just roll away like it's auditioning for a Fast and Furious sequel. 4. Coasting in neutral. Some folks think they're saving fuel by shifting into neutral on downhills. Sorry, but modern automatics are smarter than that. Most cars actually use more fuel in neutral than in gear when coasting. Plus, you lose engine braking and control, so it's not just pointless, it's also dangerous. Not the best combo. 5. Resting your hand on the gear lever. It might feel cool or comfy, but your automatic shifter isn't a handrest. Putting pressure on it constantly can mess with the internal linkage or sensors. This one's subtle, but over time, it can lead to some expensive repairs. Rest your hand on the armrest, not the stick. 6. Driving on low transmission fluid. This one's huge. Your transmission depends on its fluid to keep everything cool and lubricated. Low fluid? You're literally cooking the inside of your gearbox. And trust me, a burnt transmission smells nothing like victory. It smells like regret and a $3,000 bill. 7. Ignoring transmission service. You wouldn't skip oil changes, right? So why ignore your transmission fluid? It wears out just like engine oil. Over time it loses viscosity, collects debris, and stops protecting your transmission. A simple fluid change every 30k-60k miles can literally add years to your car's life. Don't skip it. Bonus tip. Don't let it idle too long. Leaving your automatic car idling forever, especially in gear, can generate unnecessary heat in the transmission. If you're waiting for someone and your car's just sitting there in drive, either put it in park or turn it off. Heat is the silent killer of automatics. Keep it cool. Outro. So there you go. 7, and a bonus, automatic driving mistakes you'll want to avoid, like that weird gas station sushi. Your transmission is an amazing piece of engineering, but it's also fragile. Treat it right, and it'll last you well over 150,000 miles. Treat it wrong, and you might be spending your next vacation fund on a transmission rebuild. Ouch. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more car wisdom, and let me know in the comments. What's the worst car mistake you've ever made? See you in the next one, and remember, drive smart, not sorry.